So 3 years ago I built this little PC for my boy, and this is where PC Shed corner started. So now I'm on the loft, and this is the state of it, i.e. 8-year-old boy. So even though you do the best you can for your kids, they don't appreciate the stuff. So 8-year-old goes to the mini PC, big screen, there's his own corner. I've got to say thank you for Richard for donating the gaming chair for him. It was still in good nick, but everything else. So the plan for it is tonight on stream I'm going to service that PC, because I built that 3 years ago and I've not touched it. So it needs a bit of a clean and sort out all of these wires that I had everything tucked away, but somehow he's been fiddling and pulling and God knows what. But yeah, so there you go. That's what I'm going to be doing. Nice and clean. I've just finished streaming and PC is all sorted. And how's Mr. Romeo?
Decent.
Decent. Watching videos about something. Well, that is Battle Station. All nice and sorted. Machine cleaned and cable managed it. And we streamed. It was all good.